YouTube, what's going on with y'all, man? Back again with another video, man. Today is Wednesday, second trading day of the week for me, and I just finished trading right now. That's exactly why I'm out here, because every single time that I'm done trading, I go outside for a 30-minute run, man. So that's exactly what I'm about to do right now. And today we took a loss. We took a loss. I'm gonna show you guys the trade that I took. I'm gonna explain to you guys the trade that I took, everything. I'm gonna break it down for y'all. But first, let's get this 30-minute run over with, and then we're gonna go back inside and mama show you guys the trade, man. So let's get it. All right, man, that was the end of a run right there. I feel great. I feel amazing. Today is a beautiful day. It's a beautiful sunny day, clear skies. The weather is amazing. The birds are singing. But yeah, man, such a beautiful day. Sucks that we had a loss. If we had a win, man, it would have been an amazing day. But anyways, man, let's go back inside and I'm gonna show you guys the trade that I took today. All right, y'all. So as you guys can see, this is the trade that we took today. And as always, if you guys want to go follow me on IG, man, I post my trades on IG first thing in the morning once I'm done trading. So if you wanna know how my trades are looking first thing in the morning, then you can go follow me on IG, man. But right now, let me go over this trade. And as you guys can see, this was a simple break of the 13 EMA. And what is a break of the 13 EMA? The break of the 13 EMA is basically when the price breaks above the 13 moving average, which is this blue line that goes along the price. So in this case, I see that we have a bullish momentum. We have this bullish momentum. We're pushing towards the upside. And then when I go to the 15 minutes, I see that we have this demand right there. So I mark it up. So before it came down to this is how it was looking, right? So I see that we have this 15-minute demand right here. And we have this bullish momentum in which the market is pushing towards the upside. So I'm waiting for, when I take this break of the 13 EMA, every single time that I take these setups, there has to be some type of confluence behind the break of the 13 EMA. So I can't just, only because it broke and it closed above the 13 EMA or below the 13 EMA, I'm going to get in. No, I have to have some type of confluence behind this trade before taking a break of the 13 EMA. So in this case, I do see that we have this 15-minute demand right there. And then my entries are on the 5 minutes. So I'm waiting on the 5 minute to see if it's going to come down to this 15-minute demand. And it does comes down to it. And as you guys can see, it breaks underneath and closes underneath the 13 EMA, which is this blue line right there. Comes down to the 15-minute demand, and then I see if it's gonna give me a reaction towards the upside, if it's gonna go up again and break above and close above the 13 EMA. So I'm waiting, and this candle came very close to closing above, but didn't close above, so I didn't get in. So I see that we have this very bullish candle towards the upside, and this next candle also closes very bullish, but this candle closes above the 13 EMA and it breaks above the 13 EMA. So I get in with 2 contracts on gold, which is about $500 risk that I was taking here, and I was aiming for this highs up here, which is basically, I think it was a little bit more than I want to 1.5. For me, it was very reasonable that price was gonna go up there, so I was just aiming for that. And yeah, as you guys can see, it didn't want to go up there. It literally just came up here, took liquidity of this highs. Did it take liquidity of those highs? Yeah, it came up here, took liquidity of those highs, and then it just went against us. And I think it has been dropping for the rest of the day. So I ended up taking a full hit. I didn't cut my loss in this trade, just for the simple reason that, I wanted to see how the market was going to react when it came down here to the 13 moving average, because usually market likes to come down gives me the break of the 13 EMA, closes above the 13 EMA. Usually it likes to come down, just like this candle came down here, and then it reacts on the 13, and then it pushes up again. So I was just, in this case, I was like, I'm either gonna take a full hit, or the price is gonna push up again. So in this case, it didn't work out for us. It just came down to more stop loss, and we ended up having a $520 loss, and which is putting us on a $943 loss for the week. It is what it is. I have zero complaints about this trade, man. I can't complain at all. I follow every single, that it had the right confluences and everything. It just didn't work out for us, so I'm not mad about this loss. As you can see, I went out and got myself a haircut, and right now I'm doing laundry because I got the time. It's only 2 p.m. in the afternoon right now, so I definitely got the time to do a lot of things, bro. That's the power of trading. There's a lot of time freedom. I feel like I've done so many things throughout the day, and the day still continues. There's a lot more hours to this day. It's crazy. And the crazy thing is, bro, I'm not gonna be working this whole week until Friday, so I'm gonna be trading in New York session tomorrow too, and on Friday I'm gonna be working 1 day. So this week I only worked 2 days, and next week I'm not sure if I'm gonna be working, man. But yeah, man, it has definitely been slow on the job, on the construction flooring job. It has been slow, but it's normal because we were busy for 1 year straight, nonstop. Like we had no breaks every single Monday through Friday. We're busy, working. So yeah, man, we had been very busy, and it's until now that it has gotten a little bit slow. But I know, man, that it's gonna pick up again. It's gonna get busy again. So right now, all we can do is trade New York session, which is amazing. I love trading New York session, but we had been taking losses. I mean, this week we took 2 losses already, and tomorrow we're gonna be trading New York session again, and hopefully we can get a win. Man, that would be amazing. But if we don't, then we're just gonna stick to our plan. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna stick to the plan that's gonna make us profitable. But yeah, man, let me get this laundry done, and I'm gonna see you guys. But anyways, man, I'm gonna keep this video today short. There wasn't a lot of things that I had to do throughout the day, so I'm gonna just finish this video here, and I still got some hours throughout this day, but I'm just not gonna be doing anything at all, man. So I'm gonna just end this video right here. I'm gonna upload it to YouTube and call it a day, and do some other things. But like I said, it's not worth of me showing. So yeah, man, I'm gonna just end this video right here. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, same time, same schedule, same everything. And y'all stay safe, y'all stay productive, y'all stay disciplined in the markets, and make sure, man, that you have a relationship with the highest. Stay safe, and without further ado, man, this video is now over.